Many of you must have heard about Tableau and its popularity in the market. Many of you must have an idea about Tableau being used for data visualization and to infer insights. But Tableau is much more than that. In this video, we are going to learn about Tableau in detail and why it is used. We will understand Tableau as a business intelligence and visual analytics tool, look at two examples in brief, understand how analytics is used in business and what functions Tableau covers, look at Tableau products available, and conclude with some interesting facts. Tableau is used in different domains, and here are some examples of organizations using Tableau in their data-driven journey. Tableau revolutionized business intelligence and paved the way for intuitive visual data analytics for everyone, regardless of their technical knowledge. So this definition states two crucial keywords, which we will look at in depth: business intelligence and visual analytics. We will break the keyword business intelligence into these questions to understand it correctly. What is business intelligence, the need, and the impact? So, business intelligence is the process of collecting, storing, and analyzing business data. It supports data-driven decision-making by analyzing massive data for meaningful information. It helps identify and create strategic business opportunities using statistics, analytics, and modeling. So using business intelligence, you can improve almost every aspect of your business with better intelligence. So how does it help? Let's say innovation in business. So Amazon changed the retailing industry completely by introducing personalized recommendations. The same ones that you see on your Amazon page, related to items you've viewed, inspired by your shopping trends, inspired by your browsing history. These are nothing but personalized recommendations using your data. Or identify growth opportunities like expanding business to new locations. Analyze the market and trends before launching and marketing new products. Benchmarking is the process of measuring a business's performance against competitors. So companies benchmark to analyze their success and understand how they are performing relative to their market competition. So data can be used for getting market insights and benchmarking. Detecting and preventing, say for example, credit card frauds using data, and there are many such examples. So it is impactful because here we are using both internal and external data, which together provides intelligence for unparalleled growth. So basically, business intelligence is changing intuition-based decision-making to data-driven decision-making, which definitely leads to better outcomes and improvements. Let us look at some examples. Netflix is the world's leading streaming entertainment service with 204 million memberships in over 190 different countries. Their motto is that customers should spend less time looking for something to watch and spend more time actually watching something that they enjoy. So they created a fully personalized homepage using data for movies or TV shows relevant to the customer's preference, mood, and context. So this personalization is done across many dimensions. The suggested videos that you see on your page, their ranking, the arrangement of videos on the canvas, and the artwork displayed for the movie or show. So the same movie can be shown with different artwork to different customers based on their preferences. Starbucks, the famous coffee chain, completes over 100 million transactions per week. So with around 87,000 drink combinations, they continuously monitor the sales at a given point of time in a day, and they dynamically update their menu cards. Also, enormous amounts of data about proximity to other Starbucks locations demographics, traffic patterns, impact to other Starbucks in that area, and more are analyzed before recommending a new store location. So Starbucks is using data extensively. And Tesla. It is using data for customer satisfaction and driverless cars. So customer satisfaction by using the online customer forum to make improvements in their next production. They are paving the way for driverless cars using accurate road maps, traffic data, weather conditions with the help of data. And finding root cause of issues that are hampering production using data. So these are some of the powerful examples of using data and business intelligence to improve their business and to bring about more customer satisfaction. Now that we know what is business intelligence, let us move on to the next keyword, visual analytics. We will understand analytics, how visual analytics is different and more popular. Data analytics is the science of examining not just business, but any raw data and information to draw insights using statistics, AI, machine learning, and so on. On the other hand, visual analytics combines data analytics and data visualization. So earlier, data analysis and visualization were separate steps. Analysts used to write queries and then the output would be displayed as a chart. This restricted the process. In the case of visual analytics, we combine powerful analytics and visual interactivity, allowing users to observe the feedback immediately and then change the analysis direction if needed. You can strategize as you think. It also allows dynamic and interactive exploration, thus improving joint decision making. So it is definitely different from data visualization, which is most of the times static. It also allows dynamic and interactive exploration, thus improving joint decision making. So it helps to find the root cause of problems, why something happened, or share key findings and collaborate. To make data-driven decisions, to make data accessible to everyone, and in general to create a data-driven culture in the organization. And it is impactful because many times there are unexpected findings from data and they can direct your thought and method of exploration. And we can find these using visual analytics by actually visualizing the data. It supports open-ended questions or data and empowers you to follow your thoughts visually based on the data patterns you see. And lastly, it helps you focus on exploring instead of writing code for a particular chart. And this makes it accessible to everyone. This image rightly describes the use of visual analytics in a nutshell. So organizations are using visual analytics and data visualization together to optimize the benefits of their BI strategy. So basically analyze to show different data points, the root cause, key indicators, or answering what, why, how, and what if questions. Decision making helps understand massive amounts of data quickly and correctly to make accurate decisions faster. Outliers explore unexpected insights and they help you find outliers in your data. Patterns and trends highlight unforeseen patterns, correlations in huge data sets. Forecasting is predictive forecasting and is used to take corrective actions. And meaningful insights communicate vital insights and share stories about your data. They help you explore new business opportunities. So this is Tableau in action. So this is a simple analysis where we are looking at sales across different subcategories. We are looking at sales in different states on a map, and we are forecasting sales for 2020 using the sales trend from previous years. So this basically helps connect with data from a wide range of sources. Tableau also reduces burden on specialized IT team as anyone can access it. And analysis in minutes can save a lot of valuable time. So this dashboard here hardly took 10 minutes to be finalized. And this is how fast you can come up with insights using Tableau. Another example is finding the root cause. So in this table, in the first chart on the left, we can see low tables profit. Now we want to analyze why the profits are low for tables. So we find out the bottom 5 low performing table products. Then we look at the states with low table profits. And in the end, in the scatter plot on the right, we can see that because tables have higher discounts, they are contributing to lower profits. So this is how we try to find the root cause of low profits in tables. So Tableau basically shares your analysis securely. It is useful for advanced analytics and predictive modeling. And lastly, Tableau is exciting and fun to work with. Nice, interesting quote, right? Okay, moving on to analytics in business. So where does Tableau fit in the business data analytics cycle? So this is a generalized analytics cycle that is followed in all organizations. So the first part is business requirements, then collecting data as per your requirements, data cleaning and storage, performing data analysis, data visualization to show the results and insights, and then using that, business decisions are taken. So Tableau plays an important role in data analysis and data visualization, as you must have already guessed. Let us go through different Tableau products. We'll start with Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop is a Windows application for analysts and business users. Powerful features and simplicity aid in analyzing data visually. Tableau Public is a free version of desktop with limited features, most useful for new users, students, and bloggers. It is not useful for private business data as it is freely available to everyone. Tableau Prep is a self-service data preparation tool used before analysis to prepare the data. Tableau Server is a BI system for secure access to enterprise data and user interaction. Tableau Online is a self-service analytics system hosted in the cloud. It allows storage of dashboards in the cloud and is mostly used by consultants and companies. Let us look at some interesting facts.